Okay, skill C is multiplying. Okay, so here we have 3 square root 7 times 2 square root 7. Well, first we can multiply the numbers. So 3 times 2 is 6. Now, the key thing is that square root of 7 times square root of 7 is 7. Okay, you can use the rules to say that square root of 7 times square root of 7 is the square root of 7 times 7, which is 49. But square root of 49 is 7 anyway, so it still works, but it's easier to realize it's just going to be 6 times, so 3 times 2 is 6, and root 7 times root 7 is 7. So the answer to this question is 42. Okay, in this example we've got 5 times 2, which gives us 10, and square root of 2 times square root of 5. Well, you know when you multiply two square roots, you multiply the numbers themselves and the answer is under a root. So it's root 2 times root 5 is root 2 times 5, which is 10. So the answer to this one is 10 root 10. Okay, the third one here, 3 times 2 is 6. Root 6 times root 2, that's root 12. Now, we have a problem with this one because in the previous one we ended up with root 10. And you can't split that down any further and simplify it. But actually 12 you can, because 12 can be written as 4 times 3. And 4 is a square number. Okay, so what we're going to have is 6 times, now square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 3 can't be simplified, so we end up with that. And then 6 times 2 is 12. So the answer will be 12 times square root 3.